Every garden teaches us something about the soil, the seasons, and ourselves. In this episode of Learn as You Grow, let's dig into how small changes can build big resilience in the garden. Fear. Fear holds more gardeners back than bad soil ever could. I've talked to so many people who say, I want to start a garden, but we've all heard this, right? And then the fear kicks in. The fear of failure, of wasting money, not having enough time, not knowing where to begin. But what if fear is actually the best teacher in the garden? Let's dig into that today. What are you afraid of in gardening, and how can we grow past it? Let's break down the top fears gardeners have. Fear of failure. What's going to happen? Well, the plants could die. But guess what? That's a part of gardening. What happens when a plant dies? It's fallen to the surface of the soil. It is broken down. Microorganisms are going to eat it. They're going to feed the plants around that area to make stronger ones. It's composting in place, right? The lesson lives on what not to do, possibly. Sometimes we don't have all of the controls. We have temperature, sunlight, water, the soil food web. Everything has to happen in this perfect timing. And it's not always perfect. This is life, okay? Failure is going to happen. Yes, we learn from failure. We also learn from success. Which one sticks with you more? You let me know in the comments below. There's the fear of wasting money. Every mistake you make once saves you money next season. Tell me a story on maybe when you wasted money, but did you really? If you were taught a lesson, right? Now, I have purchased perennials, trees, bushes. So let's see, it was a fig tree. Every single grape, I've bought 4 grape plants. All of them have died. Now, I did purchase them from a place that provided a warranty claim. So if I submitted a ticket and followed their directions within the amount of time that the warranty covered, I got either a new plant, refund, or a credit to the store, and then I could buy something else. There's the fear of judgment. Your garden doesn't have to look perfect. It just has to feed you. Okay? Feed your mind, feed your body, nutrition, all of that. It doesn't have to look perfect. Usually, the messy, chaotic gardens do better because it's harder for things to find them and eat them. The fear of not knowing enough. Guess what? None of us started out experts. The soil teaches you faster than any book. Now, I am a firm book believer. I love gathering information. I love researching information. That's partially why I have a YouTube channel called Shawneegrows. I get to hyper focus on the hobby that I love, gardening, in any umbrella category that I want to, and then talk to people about it that actually want to listen to me, you know? To educate yourself constantly, to always be learning. As we say, we learn as we grow, right? The fear of time. We all have the same amount of time in the day. You've heard that before, right? Even 10 minutes a day in the garden can change your life, your mind, your body. We talk about your brain on gardening here at Shawnee Grows all the time. If one of these hits home for you, it might be a sign that that's the next place that you need to grow in your gardening journey. Fear is feedback. It's just showing you where your comfort zone ends. The garden is the perfect place to practice courage in small ways. Every time you plant something new, you're betting on growth. You're saying, I believe this seed can make it, and that is powerful. I also just thought of a fear. Maybe you're growing a new food, like let's say it's kohlrabi, for example, and you now are afraid to eat it. You got the thing to grow. You figured out how to identify any pests around it or how to keep the soil mulched around it. You watered it correctly. It produced, and now you're looking at it like, what am I supposed to do with this? There's a fear there. right? So when we face fear in the garden, we don't just grow food, we grow resilience. So what are you afraid of in gardening? Let's talk about it in the comments or message me with your biggest gardening fear, and you might just see it in a future episode. So thanks for growing with me today on Learn as You Grow. You can catch more gardening videos and live streams on my YouTube channel, Shawneegrows. Then I also have a merch store for you to check out. The link is in the show notes. We have a garden flag, we have puzzles, your typical stickers, magnets, t-shirts, sweatshirts, there's all kinds of things, hats. Also, if you'd like to become a sponsor or a collaborator to help out the channel, the podcast in any way, email me at shawneegrows@gmail.com. Again, links are all in the description below. And until next time, grow every day in every way.